May I come in here, please? Okay, come on. Thank you very much. I want here to come here. Oh my God. Okay, okay. Wait. I have something. Have the things here. Wait. My memory card. I lost my memory card.
Very stupid. You just started a war to save the
Wait, what? So very dangerous to lose my anything.
What's going on? Where are you taking us?
Wait, something's calling us. Wait. Oh my God. Oh yes, hello. Yeah. Yes, I'm coming to the SM Valens. Ay, SM, not North EDSA in Manila. Yes. Ah, okay. Yes, I use my headphone right now. Yeah. I'm here now in San Sebastian. Yeah. Near, yes, in front of San Sebastian Church. Yes. Yes, later. No, my auntie told me that she invited me to come there for dinner because my auntie live now here in the Philippines, back in Europe. Yeah. Yes. No, no. Afterwards, I have to come home now after in SM Manila, you know that. Yes, it's so very long eh. It's so very long here because, yes, there's no classes right now. Yes. We have a classes but only up to senior high school, you know. Not only just kinder, but the universities are not all, but some. But more on are never ever have yet. Yes. Okay, okay. Yes, it's okay. That's not a problem for me right now. Yeah. So very long. Okay, okay, okay. Everything that's 20 pesos, but the truth that's pesos. I've seen. Yeah. Oh, you call later. Okay. You don't have to talk until we are inside in the jeepney. You don't want to talk with me? No. Yes, I know that. But the problem, we're talking now in our home. Oh, it's okay. That's not a problem. But more on until I'm here in the jeepney, inside the jeepney, you can talk me. You can approach me right now. Or you can tell me. Yes. But later, I will buy some food eh. I promise that. Yes. Yeah, I think there's no classes right now. Yeah. Yes, can you allow me that?
Bayad. Sauce na dyan. Bayad lang.
Okay, wait, I have to ask. Okay, come call me later. Okay. Ah, no, wait. Wait.
Bayad.
Wait.
Bayad.
Sir, can I ask some questions for a while? How much this paid from now? Because I know we already have. Wait, I have already increase of the oil in Iran. How much? May I repeat?
13.
13, 1-3, not 30. Or that I'm special needs. I'm SPED. I'm special needs. How much? 11. Okay. Just for a while. Okay. Oh, we're not to. We're talking. Yeah. Okay.
Bayad po.
Yeah. Oh my God. You don't voiceless. Yeah. I understand. I can hear you right now. Yes. No, I don't know what did I want, but I want also KFC some because since I'm young, very young, I'm already my favorite is KFC, not only just Jollibee. But don't worry, I'm not criticize Jollibee. Yeah, don't tell me because Jollibee is already worldwide, globals right now. Yeah. No, even in Pakistan, in India, in Canada, US, and Middle East, particularly in Saudi and UAE, we have already Jollibee. Yeah. No, any parts of the world, yeah. So very fast moving, you know, the Jollibee. But that means so far, I think I want first to eat KFC because for a long time I'm not eating KFC more than a year. Yeah. I think I was last ate KFC last my father's birthday, you know. Yeah, I think so, yeah. 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 I'm okay. No, because next week they told me Monday night because Tuesday they will arrive back in Europe, you know that. My auntie and my cousins, you know, mother and child. Yeah. Yes. I agree that. Mother and child. Yeah. No, I have to leave afterwards and then I have to look something in the I want to look something the smartphones. Yeah, I need to buy a new smartphones. Yes, I have to raise my money. I have to collect my own money. No. So very ashamed because my no. father's side, and also my father doesn't want to able to help me to buy something gadgets because they're so very stingy, you know that. So much you doesn't know. You doesn't know about them, you know that. You see, they're so very stingy, not only just selfish. And then they're always forcing me to take care of my grandmother from my father's side since she was alive. Because I know that she was died in January 4 this year. You know? No, I don't have a tears from her because he cheated me, you know that. I don't have an inheritance, even a little penny, you know. I don't have anything. Well, she's not really rich, but no, my uncle is only a rich, but my grandmother is not really rich. Rich. He's not very wealthy, you know that. My uncle is so wealthy, you know. They're only hidden, they're concealed only of their status, you know that. No. It's not excuses, you know that. So that's why. Okay. I don't care about the inheritance. I don't care of the wealth. But important, they will have to pay it. Yeah. Pay us the price, you know that. But not physical. I want only to expose the truth against my cousins. And also, their granddaughters and grandsons, you know that. I will expose the truth. Don't tell me that they don't have knowledge anymore. Because especially they're already becoming 11 until now. And then also my cousin, the eldest daughter of my last uncle, you know that. Siblings of my dad, you know that. I have a strong evidence against him. Yeah, that's true. This is a very very ridiculous, you know that. I think about that. You think twice. But thank God I'm never ever to allow them to take care of my grandmother without salary because they will not allow me to work anywhere. They want only 24/7. I'm always there in my grandmother, you know that. So that's why I disagree. Not only disagree. I'm already quit. Even they're forcing me, and then they make me a setup. Even they told me that they have to pay. They have to have a paycheck. They have to pay salary, even until unlimited monies per month or per seconds. I will not believe them because that's only a trap. You know that. That's only a bait. That's also a trap. You know that. They're treating me. No. And then if I'm already in the province, you know what happened. I'm never ever to wait out anymore there. I'm never ever to come out there anymore. They will not allow me to come home here in Metro Manila, you know that. So that's why they will do something for me when my grandmother was alive. No? You know it? It's a long time issues, you know that. Oh, you see? No. Oh, come on. Continue. Okay. Wait, okay, come on. Oh, it to be continued. Okay. Okay, bye. Later ha, tutok ha. Yeah, tutok at our home ha. Later ha. Yeah, no problem. Okay, thank you very much. Yes. Okay. No, I have to go to SM Manila right now. No, not to go totally SM Manila. I have to come first there in the park. In the not totally Bonifacio Park because Bonifacio Park yung monumento but not totally Rizal Park, before Rizal Park. Only there in the park of the near in SM Manila. I have to come there first to relax there, and then what happened, I'm not yet paid here, so I have to pay. I will give the change. That's not a problem. I will never ever to ask the change. Yes, I know that's my priority to ask the change, to return my change, but no, that's not a problem. Yeah. No, I'm only one passenger. I'm with Yes, I'm in front seat but I'm not two passengers. No, one passenger. I have to pay one passenger, not two passengers because I don't have companion. I have companion, other people. That's other people. Not we don't know any. We don't know each other.
Not your pay.
Okay. Sorry, wait. I will pay it. Don't worry. I'm not paying it. Yes. If I'm coming down. Before I'm coming down. Before I want in the last part of the line. Yes. Yes, I hold my money. Yeah. No, I want only in the last part of the line. Because this is not really end of the line. Yeah. The end of the line is in the over there in the park and ride. But that was before. We're never ever to come there. Yes, because there's under construction. But now we have already. That's the last. I want there in the last part. Don't worry. I'm not doing something wrong. You know that I'm not a criminal. I'm not like that. Yes. What do you want to I do? I will come down even in the that's not the last of the line. Okay, fine. Okay, thank you. Just wait. Yes, it's okay. I have to pay it. Yes, I'm sitting in the front, but I don't know. We're never ever know each other, so that's why it's just impossible that I have to pay her or him if meal. Even we don't know each other. Oh, that's impossible. That's a weird. Even me, I will ask them why they supposed me to pay even we know each other. Even me. Oh, you see? Okay, fine. Bye. Okay. I want in the last part. Okay. Yes, I want to relax there in the first in LRT and then I have to come there in Metro. I want to see in the Metropolitan Manila that we have we're on construction. Yeah. Yes. We have been reintroduced. That means we're back again. Yeah. It's very long time of the Metropolitan Manila. The Metropolitan Plaza or theater. But it's almost expired. It's already never ever to come there, but they come back again. Reintroduce. That means we're come back. Yeah. We returns again. Yeah. Okay, so yes, I agree right now. Okay, fine, come on, okay. I want the last of the line. Yes. I want to see anything during Metropolitan Theater before I will come in SM Manila because I didn't come for a long time here, almost long time. Yeah. Sir, that's yours now, the 9 pesos ha. That's special needs. Oh my god. That's 20 pesos ha, 20. Yeah. Ay, sorry. you see, I declared him that's 20 pesos, you know. He did not chase me. Oh my God, so nice here. So I have to observe him if he really to return my excessive. Oh, that's a jeep. Oh, you see? He's not really want me to return my excessive money, you know. He's not really want me to return my excessive money, you know. I spend all the time. So I quote him in the act so much. Yeah. So he did not really want to return my excessive money because I declared him that's 20. I told him. I repeated him, I'm so very loud voice, you know. So he did not deny, he cannot deny this of these moments of. Do you want to introduce to you? So the name is Roman Bonus Pamatian. Roman Bonus Pamatian. Who? Yes, because you know why? Because I saw in the Philippine television, yeah, in ABS-CBN Channel 2, Mission Possible by Julius Babaw. That was host as Julius Babaw there at before since 2017 that he was interviewed at the ABS-CBN because you know why? Because that name of the Adamson student was because he is still alive before. He's still alive until now. The name is John Eric Ami. John Eric Ami, the former student of Adamson University, who asking the jeepney driver to Ramon Bonus Pamatian that can he allowed him to pay only 3 pesos because his wallet was missing. Yeah, his wallet was missing, or he lost his wallet. You know that he lost his wallet. And then at the beginning, Mang Roman or Roman Bonus Pamatian was get mad at him, but laterly Mang Roman help him from his pocket to give 30 Philippine pesos. You know that. Oh, you see? And then afterwards, John Eric Ami asked Mang Roman that the cell phone number or mobile number plus his name, his real name. But the problem, Mang Roman or Roman Bonus Pamatian was refused. And then afterwards, John Eric Ami, the former student of Adamson University, helped seeking help or seeking us help to the Philippine journalist Julius Babaw. Yes. He's the former ABS-CBN journalist but now TV5 journalist. Yeah. So that what happened, Julius Babaw helped also John Eric Ami to come there in San Miguel Ikot when I'm right there until now, you know. And then what happened, like here, like there, and then what happened, they asked they asked his fellow drivers that where's John Eric Ami. They asked the driver, where is the driver of the San Miguel Ikot terminal driver, you see. And then he answered, they answered the fellow driver of Mang Roman, they're there. And then he was interviewed he was interviewed by the Julius Babaw to straight to the point to Mang Roman or Roman Bonus. Yeah, Roman Bonus. Yes. And then afterwards, you know what did they do? They come there in their home. Not only that, just help him by Julius Babaw and John Eric Ami. They give them a cash gift, even the food gift. And then what happened? Yes. His daughter, the lesbian daughter, helped by Julius Babaw to find a job. Yeah. Because I watched that before. Yeah. Many. We have lots of opportunities from Julius Babaw. Because I watched that since 2017. So that's why at least I catch him instantly, you know that. So he cannot deny this anything, you know. He cannot deny this anything. Mang Roman, this for you, Roman Bonus or Mang Roman. Stop pretending like a saint. You're pretending that you're trying me to return my excessive money. I told you properly that's 20. I told you keep the change of 9 pesos, so that means that's 11 pesos, you know. Yeah. So it's understood 20 pesos. I declared you 20, you know. I shout you 20, you see? 20. Oh, you see? I declared you. Yes. So this is my pleasure that you cannot cheat me anymore, both of you. Let's see, Mang Roman. Roman Bonus, the pretending saint. Pretender, the saint pretender. But the truth is almost also a monster like them. So stop pretending us, because or else I will expose the truth against both of you. If you're harassing me again, if you do this to me again, not all of the time that I have to give you all. Not all of the time. Not at all. Remember that. Not all of the time that I will understand you, both of you. Or understand both of you. This is too much. So I declare. So I'm already catch you that you're still my money before. I told you that's 20 pesos. So that means 11 pesos. I told you keep the change of 9 pesos. You see? So you are a pretender. Remember that I have an evidence against you. Remember this. I'm never ever to erase this for you. I have to collect this evidences against you. Remember this, huh? He did not chase me. Look, oh, Mang Roman never chased me. He stole my 30 pesos. Yeah. Because I declared him that's 20 pesos. Keep the change of 9 pesos. Because that's understood is 11 pesos. I did not ask the change, remember that. But later he pretending that he will try to return my excessive money. So I wait for him if he will come down, and then he will return my money, but he did not come down because we're already in the last of the line. Remember that. But what happened? He interested of my 3030 Philippine pesos. That's 3030 Philippine pesos, not 13. Kasi wala na. Harap. Sir, may I come here again, please? Here, may I come here again? Yeah, thank you very much again. May once again. Yeah.
Ano to yung...
Sorry?
Ano, medyo ano to?
I thought me.
Matumal. Raragyo na lang ako, matumal. Tatlo pa kami, tatlo. O yung sunod kay Raymart, baba na. Sunod kay Raymart, baba. Kahi. Sabi nyo.
Ay, my God. Oh.
Mga tao, ilan pa ba doon?
Dahil po, sa Australia.
Oo.
Lahat tayong dalawa?
This is 41, not 11 pesos. 4141. Here's my payment. That's 11 pesos ha, special needs.
Bayad.
Sir, that's 11 pesos, sir.
Lupit.
No, not 2 passengers. I'm 1 passenger. That's exactly 11. Sir, that's 11 pesos, sir. Sir, we're okay. I have to leave now, so that's yours money now. No, it's okay. I will never ever to ano. Next time, no. I will leave because we're arguing eh.
Sobra.
No, that's
Sobra,
11.
sobra.
Sir, we don't need to arguing. So that's yours now. Because that's not unlimited money, so that we are arguing. Please, sir.
Online na daw.
Oh, I will not ride. Okay, it's okay. By next time, I'm so apologize ha. If you're arguing, I have to leave. I'm just apologize. That's 11 pesos. I'm special needs. Sir,
Binabalik ka sa pulis.
sir, I'm never ever to arguing. I told you how many times that I arguing us.
You back your pay.
Sir, no, you don't need because I already ride here, so that's why. That's yours now, the 11 pesos. Even I will not ride here. Please, sir, it's raining, oh. You don't have a conscience to me. No, it's okay. Because I'm already hard feeling. I'm very hard feeling right now. Okay. We're arguing. Oh my God. Oh, there you just face me, ah. Comes that. No, it's okay. Oh, you see, he pretending he's like a saint, but he's not really saint. I did not get my excessive money, you know. Yeah, okay. Hey. Sir, excuse me, I did not get the money from you, Maybe you tell me I received the money. Sir, where I stole your money. I remember I had to make inform to you that I did not accept the money from you, Oh.
Ito yung money.
Sir, where's my 30 pesos before? Can you answer me? No, but before, that last time. And I'm asking you only, where's my 30 pesos before? If you really to return my excessive money. Sir, I know you before. Last 2017, I was remember you. How many times that you cheated me before? So, I did not...
Back to you to...
Sir, we're arguing. I did not return it. I did not accept. Sir, that's yours na. That's 11 pesos. Sir,
Back to you.
sir, how about my 30 pesos? Where's my 30 pesos before? Oh, no, I don't accept that. I told you, you're arguing You're arguing. I told you, I pay you, and keep a silent, so that's what happened. Even we exposed that. Oh. You want to expose of yours, of your life, of your evidence? Oh. Mang Roman, oh, you see, you shock me. You shock. I know you. Oh. So, I have a proof against you. I have a proof. You know that. You
might pay.
No, it's already have been happened before. I told you that's 11 pesos.
yeah.
Are you? You shocked? You surprised? Huh?
11 oh.
No. 11? 11?
Opo.
Sir, that's yours now, 11 pesos, sir. That's yours now. Yeah. He arguing us, oh. He arguing us.
Ano yung pera niya?
Sir,
Pera niya.
sir, I paid 11 pesos. I paid 11 pesos, but what happened? He arguing us. Sir.
Back to you.
No, that's 11 pesos. We're arguing. We're arguing. No, I don't need. That's yours na. That's yours na 11 pesos. Sir, you're so very eh. You stole my 30 pesos before eh. Do you remember?
Oh, you
That I paid you 50 pesos before?
Yeah.
No. You stole my money before. You stole my money before, you know? Did you remember that I ride you before? Sir.
Marami na naabala.
Sir. Ate, may ebidensya po laban ko sa driver na yan.
Bakit? Ano ba?
Papatulpo ko yan.
Ano ba nangyari?
Kulit sa akin. Kulit sa akin. Nanahimik ako nagbayad doon. 11. Ang nangyari doon, ano po, bigla na lang na, sabi na lang, inano nga, okay, kaya dahil dito, nilibas na nga sa akin lahat, tapos umulit pa siya, umarte pa. Di ba nasa Mission Possible yan? Hey, Mang Roman, welcome back. Where's my 41? And the 30 pesos before that, I paid you the 50 pesos. I pretend that's 20 pesos. You see?
41.
No, I paid you 50 pesos before, but you take me out the 30 pesos 30. If you tell me that you return it to me and you pass in the other people and then he gave me, I did not accept it. Last before 30 pesos, not 13.
Okay.
Did you remember me, no? Right? Yes. It means you admit that you take it away my 30 pesos before, and 41 you try to take it out without consent from me. All right? I did not accept from the other people if you told me that you gave to the other people and then he passed me. You see, Mang Roman? Wait. I have to wait. I have to talk to you. Wait. Before you ride, do you know that I have been experienced already here that they accusing me that I stole the money before, and then they send me to the jail, and then they extort my father of the money, thousands of pesos. But now this is my time. So that's now, from now on, I hold your dirt. You know dirt. And then you know what happened? Someday I saw you before, and then did you remember that John Eric Ami? He was the former of Ateneo, Adamson University. And then you help him, and then he helped you also. You know what I told you? I saw you in the TV last 2017, the Mission Possible. Now, if you will not confess me that you're already aired in the channel 2 with Julius Babaw. But now, if you're not admit that you take it away the money that before, I'll be the one to send you to the Rapid Tour for in action. But let's see if you're brave. But don't worry, I will not complain because you stole my money. But you have to confess it. You don't need to lie that you passed the money and then I accept the 30 pesos before. So that's why if you're not admit that it, you will push you down. You doesn't know it, even you're old. Why? You will try me to command to the other people to kill me. Oh, you must remember that. So now, this is the face of this man. If something's happening to me, he's the suspect. Oh, you know? Oh, come on. Especially you're already old. Maybe you will have suffer the heart failure if you saw about all of you. This is already 2 times, but I met you before. You returned it to me properly. But now it's 41, and then right now, I told you that I pretend you that's 20 pesos, but that's 50 pesos. Oh, you see? So that's why, last, you already returned my 30 pesos, 30, not 13. That means you confess and you admit it to stole my money. Right, if something's happening to me, you're the suspect. Even you command to the other people, you kill me. Oh. Let's see.